हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बी ए प्रोग्रामर में. सो टुडे वी हैव कम अप विद अ वेरी गुड वीडियो फॉर बी इफ यू आर फ्रॉम बी ए ऑल्सो, फ्रॉम बी कॉम ऑल्सो, BBA, BCA, from MCA, anything you are from, you can apply for this job. It is a very good job in a DXC Technology, that is a American based MNC that does a B2B, मतलब B2 business to business IT services provide करती है. So you can apply for this job. It is a IT support job, that is voice process job, basically customer support मान सकते हैं. So we will see about this video, what is it video about, like who can apply, what is the eligibility process, what will be your responsibility, what is the job description. We will see everything in this video. So let's start with the video, and if you haven't liked this video, please hit that like button दबा दो यार, ताकि हमें मोटिवेशन मिले ऐसी वीडियोस बनाने की, क्योंकि अच्छी अपडेट्स के साथ हम आते हैं. और गो डाउन एंड हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो हमारे चैनल को, एंड प्रेस दैट बेल आइकन टू सो यू नेवर मिस एन अपडेट whenever we upload a video. You come up with you get a notification of it that we have come up with a new video, and you can see that video very soon, and you can apply for these kind of jobs. So let's start with the video, as it is an American MNC. So let's see what is the process, what is the responsibilities. So the very first step is open any browser. I have opened my Microsoft Edge, and I will paste my link. This link will be also provided in the description, and it is also posted on my Telegram group. So let's see what is the job role and what are the process, what is the eligibility process. We will see everything. So as you can see on my screen that this is the job profile, that is L2 technical support or voice process. You can say that it is, what are the things that are, this is the requisition ID, this is the category, delivery services group. The location will be your Bangalore in Karnataka, India. The position date is 3, the posting date, the job has been posted on March 11, 2020. Okay, so we can apply from here. Firstly, let's see what is the job description. The job description is this, that you need to coordinate activities of the functional areas of departmental, that you can consider it as an IT support. It is an IT support basically, and it is a back-end job. You can end-to-end services from B2B मतलब business to business, मतलब किसी बिजनेस के साथ आपको डीलिंग करनी है तो उस समय आईटी सपोर्ट ज़रूरी होता है. तो ये चीज़ आप समझ सकते हैं. और कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन पे आपको फोकस करना है. इंश्योर डिलीवरीज ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट, मतलब प्रोजेक्ट्स जो मिल रहे हैं कंपनी को, तो वहाँ पे जो कंपनीज दे रही हैं प्रोजेक्ट्स, उनको उनकी डिलीवरी टाइम पे मिले, क्लाइंट्स को प्रोजेक्ट्स टाइम पे मिले. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द बेसिक क्वालिफिकेशंस, द बेसिक क्वालिफिकेशन इज that bachelor degree or equivalent in any education. Like, it is not mentioned that any particular degree is important. Any bachelor degree will work. That is BA, BCom, BCA, BSc, anything will work. BTech, anything will work. Bachelor's degree in business administration, like if you are from your related field, that is from business, BBA, that is business administration, bachelor's of business administration, you can apply for this. Like, if you have experience, suppose you have experience also, or you don't have experience, you can apply. Freshers can also apply. Experiencing, like, these are the things that are important. Then talking about the other qualifications, basic project, these are the qualifications. That is not a qualification. ये सारी चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो चीज़ मतलब खुद से बोलनी होती हैं, जैसे कि आई हैव मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स, आई हैव कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, आई हैव इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स, आई हैव ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टाइम मैनेजमेंट skills. These are important. Okay, so it will be checked in your interview process. And work environment will be your office environment, like you have to work from the office only, from Bangalore. So how to apply for it? I will click on apply now button, and it will redirect me to a page that is join our talent network. As you can see on my screen that this is the DXC Technology page, and you need to, like, you can also skip and continue, and you can save and continue. So I will just fill this form, and I will complete this form and save and continue. So I have just completed my important information, that is that have the red asterisk. I have completed all that, and I will just click on save and continue. So this is the page where you need to, like, if you have an ID of DXC Technology, then you can just sign in, or I will create my account. So I have completed all my information. I will complete everything and just click on create account. See, at this point that job is not available, but you can search for some other jobs that are available here. Suppose I want some customer service. Okay, so I will click on customer service, and what are the things that are important? ये चीज़ें important है जो posted है जल्दी में. Associate customer support, suppose. तो यहाँ पे we will check everything, what are the things important, what are the eligibility criteria, we will check everything, and it is asking for experienced experience, although you can apply for that. So you can just find jobs according to your location, according to your country, according to your priorities, in which particular priority you want to fill it and which things you want, because it is an American based MNC. तो वहाँ पे जॉब्स ज़्यादा होंगी अमेरिका में इसकी, तो यहाँ पे ये चीज़ है। इंडिया में बहुत जॉब्स हैं इसकी, बैंगलोर में इसके मतलब ऑफिस है, बैंगलोर में खोज सकते हो। यहाँ पे इंडिया अगर अवेलेबल है, अभी अवेलेबल, इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल एट दिस टाइम, you can also, like, the job is being posted regularly. It has been posted 19 days ago, as you can see. Then I will show you that it has been posted 3 days ago, this also 3 days ago, this 5 days ago. So the job is being posted regularly, so you can keep checking this site also. I will also mention this site and this job notification, both I will mention in the description, so don't worry for that, you will get everything in the description. And this was all about how to find job in DXC Technology. It is an American based MNC. So in this video we have talked about everything. What is the application process, how can you apply, what is the job role, what things are important, why if you are experienced then you can apply. So we will talk about everything, like we have explained about everything in this video, and we are coming up with these kind of videos. अगर अभी तक वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया, if you haven't liked this video, please hit that like button and go and subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon so you never miss an update whenever we upload a video. You get a notification on your mobiles that we have uploaded a video, and you can apply for these kind of jobs. So this, and you can also join our Telegram channel because we are being posted many materials over there also, so you can access that too. And follow me on Instagram if you want to ask something like personally or chit chat करना मेरे से, so you can like talk me on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram. Every link is in the description also. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet you in the next video with some more informative topics. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.